Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for attending this Zoom meeting to our presentation. We are Group 6. We'll present our presentation about minimal pairs. But before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Amelia Damayanti as a moderator, and the first speaker is Cahya Revaninda, and the second speaker is Indrian Iskandar, and the last speaker will Azahra Dinda Kamalia. Let's start our presentation. For the first speaker, time is yours.
Okay. Amel. Thank you Amel for giving me opportunities to deliver the material. For the first, I will tell you about the definition of minimal pairs. In phonology and phonetics, the term minimal pair refers to two words that differ in only one sound, such as hit and hit. The words in a minimal pair have completely different, often unrelated definition. Minimal pairs are useful to linguistics because they provide insight into how sound and meaning causes in a language. For the first, here's a vowel sounds. E and I. E and E. Sit, sit. A and E. Desk, disk. A and A. Wet, wait. A and A. Bed, but. O and ow. O. So and so. O and O. Note and note. A and A. Bed and bed. A and air. Air. Fast and first. A and A. Head and heart. O and O. Cut and cut. O and O. No and no.
For the next is Indriani Iskandar. Time is yours.
Thanks to the moderator for giving me the opportunity to deliver the next material, which is consonant sounds. Here are many examples such as B and V, berry and very, B and P, by and pie, N and thin and thing, L and R, olive and arrive, ch and te, catch and cat, S and sh, C and she, F and v, fan and van, F and h, fat and hat, F and the, free and tree, S and the, sink and think, ini the and the, with and with, J and Z, page and pace, D and J, bed and beach, F and P, coffee and copy, K, W and K, kick and kick, Ch and J, chip and jeep, Ch and chair and share, D and the, day and day, T and the, three and three. I return it to the moderator.
Thank you so much for your delivering materi. For the next is Azara Dinda Kamalia.
The next material is about, wait a minute. Initial consonant sounds. For the first is p and p, pass and pass, k and g, came and game, t and d, to and do, v and w, vow and wow. G and w is gate and wait, wait. H, h and is hat and rat, and w it is rich and which, j and show, yo is Joe and your, w and no w is where and air, h and no h is hate and eight. And the last is final consonant sounds. There's a k and g as a bag and bag, and an as an and an, t and d as a hat and hat, s and z as a bus and buzz, and is a thin and thing. Unk and is a thing and thing. J and G is H and edgy, and ch and chi is a catch and catchy.
Okay, that's all of our presentation. Any question? If you have some question, you can write it in the message.
Hello, Maya F.
Oh ya, silakan aja Num.
Okay. So my questions is, how many example of minimal pairs that highlight the difference between nasal and oral vowels? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for the question, Hanum. Hanum question will answer by Indriani Iskandar.
I would like to answer Hanum's question. A classic example of a minimal pair highlighting the difference between nasal and oral vowels is the pair sin and sing. In sin, the vowel is oral, while in sing, the vowel is nasalized due to the presence of the nasal consonant ang. This demonstrates the distinction between oral and nasal vowels in English.
Is it clear, Hanum?
Yeah, that's clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Hanum, for the questions. Any question, everyone?
Tuh demi apa tuh gue?
Okay, we will give the conclusion of this material. So minimal pairs are pairs of words that differ by only one sound. They are used in the language teaching to improve phonemic awareness, correct pronunciation, and help students understand the difference in sounds. The application of minimal pairs has been shown to improve the pronunciation of voice and voiceless sounds. In the classroom, minimal pairs can be used to highlight the different sounds in a meaningful context and help children understand why certain sounds are important. The minimal pair method focuses on contrastive difference between phonemes and is used in speech intervention to prompt the correction of sound errors. Overall, minimal pairs are a valuable tool for language teachers to help students develop their phonemic awareness and improve their pronunciation. Next.